A great day to you. Bankola here from Klacify Nigeria. I want to show to you in this video how you can enable the use of scratch cards for parents to be able to view your results. What that means is that parents will not be able to view their children's results unless they get scratch cards from you. So the benefit of this is that it enables you to ensure that only parents who have balanced their fees have access to their children's results. So the way it works is that when your parents want to view their results, they will ask for a scratch card from you. So you give the scratch card to parents who have balanced their fees, and those who have not balanced, you ensure the balance before you give them the scratch card. So how do you enable it? You come to your Klacify app, click on the options icon, school portal, then go on to control panel here. At the left hand side there, scroll down till you get to scratch card access. Click on it. So by default, this button is going to be turned off like this. The way it is now, it means parents will not need scratch card to view their children's results. So if you want to turn it on, then you tap on this button to turn it on. As you have turned it on, it means that parents will not be able to view their children's results except through the use of a scratch card. Now, how do you now generate the scratch cards for the parents? It's very simple. Just click on the plus sign at the top right corner here. Then you click on result checker pins. Click on this line. Then you enter the number of scratch cards you want to generate. For example, you have, let's say, 100 students in your school, and you want to generate scratch card for, let's say, 80 of them who have balanced. So you just tap 80 here, then you click on next, and you generate. But because this is for instructional purpose, 80 will be too much and it's going to be waste. So I'm going to tap just 1 here. So click on next, click on submit here, view pins. As you can see, this is the pin scratch card. So for the parent who has balance, I can just tap on it like this. As you can see, it has been copied, and I send it to the parent on WhatsApp. Or if I wish, I could save it by clicking on this save icon at the top right corner. It has been saved here. You can view it with any file, PDF file opener. As you can see, it's here. So if there are very many, then you can cut in one by one and give to the parents physically if you wish to give to them physically. But the best is that you just tap and you send to them on WhatsApp, since they might not be physically present in your school. So that's how to make use of the scratch card feature. Thank you.